Hi,
What's your name?
my name is Sheikh Faisal.
Okay. Tell me about yourself.
Thanks for giving me opportunity to introduce myself.
Mm-hmm.
My name is Sheikh Faisal. I am 19 years old.
Okay.
My father is a mechanical engineer. My mother is a housewife. I am studied at Siddhartha Degree College. I done intermediate at Royal Junior College, Sarnagar. And my hobbies is I like to play cricket, snooker, and my hobby I like to watch movie.
Okay. Who is your role model?
Yeah,
Who is your role model?
role model movie.
Okay. How many mistakes did you find?
I am 32.
Okay. What are those?
Here greater than 110 TC. Here not here length.
Okay.
Here 110 1G 1F or here not having length. Here 10 greater than, here also not having length. 1G greater than, here also not having length. 1F. 1 is equals to 2R less than G. Here 1 is equals to is not there.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank
We'll
you.
get back to you soon.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.